Alright, DJI has just released a teaser. Brief, but packed with confirmation. The Osmo 360 is officially on the way. The video spotlights the sensor, hints at full 360 capture, and boldly introduces it with an all-in-one tagline. The official launch? Locked in for July 31st at 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. That's almost spot on with the previously leaked date. Not exact, but close enough to stir up plenty of buzz. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What about the DJI Mic 3? Earlier leaks suggested that both the Osmo 360 and Mic 3 were set to debut together. Could DJI be prepping for a surprise double reveal on the 31st? We won't have to wait long to find out. As for the leaks, things got a bit wild. First, images of the Osmo 360's retail packaging started surfacing online. Then, a full video leak dropped. Yep, someone apparently hit publish instead of schedule, and the internet wasted no time jumping on it. I won't show the full clip, but I'll include a few snapshots and break down what really stood out. Let's start with the sensor. And yeah, this might not be what some were hoping for, but our earlier predictions weren't far off. The Osmo 360 doesn't feature a true dual 1-inch sensor setup. Instead, DJI has developed a brand new 1.1-inch square sensor specifically optimized for 360 video. And here's why that matters. Most 360 cameras, like the Insta360 X5, rely on rectangular sensors. But since the fisheye lens captures a circular image, much of that rectangular sensor ends up cropped, effectively wasting pixels. DJI's square sensor design in the Osmo 360 makes much smarter use of the full sensor area. No awkward cropping, just clean, edge-to-edge image capture. Plus, it supports 10-bit color, a noticeable upgrade over the X5's 8-bit, giving creators more room for dynamic color grading. Now, about that leaked comparison video, yes, there was a side-by-side with the Insta360 X5, but it wasn't exactly a fair match. The X5 footage was shot in standard color mode, which applies heavy contrast and saturation by default. Meanwhile, the Osmo 360 was filming in D-Log-M, a flat color profile intended for post-production grading. Naturally, it looked a bit softer out of the box, with flatter shadows and less pop. But here's the catch. Once that D-Log-M footage is properly graded, the Osmo 360 could easily rival or even outperform. So yeah, aside from the dual 1-inch sensor setup that didn't materialize, everything else we discussed in our earlier video checks out. I'll be uploading the full unboxing and in-depth review on July 31st, so if you want to be among the first to watch it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on X for the latest tech updates and exclusive gadget deals. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, take care, and keep smiling.